Hello there, my name is Belinda. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Hands on How To. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your YouTube channel name and also your YouTube username. So the first thing you're going to do, you just sign in to your YouTube account. And once you are in your account, you can just click home. Once you've logged into your YouTube account, you're going to navigate to the right corner at the top, where you'll be able to click on your profile. Okay, then you're going to get this drop down. Then you click on your channel. Yes, after clicking on your channel, you're going to land on this new tab. Once you're there, you just click on Customize Channel. So once this new tab opens, once you have a new tab here, you're going to see these three tabs, that is Layout, Branding, and Basic Info. So you're going to select on Basic Info. And then here you're going to see the name. That this is, you choose a name, choose a channel name that represents you and your content. So this is the name of my channel, Hands on How To. So I'm not going to change it, but this is how you change your YouTube channel name. And then once you're done, you come here. This is where you put your username. So this is my username at Hands on How To. So once you're done, you can just change. Once you're done, you'll be able to publish it. Okay, once you've changed the name and you've also changed the username that you want to use on your YouTube account. Okay, so that's all about changing the channel name and also your username. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and also subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.